Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a forward bend variation. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, legs, and back body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into torso circles with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more space and ease through your chest, shoulders, spine, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, allowing this gentle movement to revitalize and nourish your spine. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.